Hi guys, happy weekend. I have a coupon code for you, and I also have some new stamps from Gerda Steiner Designs. I also picked up a few more stamps from Picket Fence Studios. I also have a promotion. When you spend $25 in Picket Fence Studio products, I will add a cute little owl stamp to your package. So you don't have to add this to your cart. I'm just going to put it in your package. If I see that you have purchased $25 or more, and that's after discounts, of Picket Fence Studio products. So in your order box, leave a comment which one you would like. If you don't leave a comment, I'll just pick one. But if you had a preference, you could leave me a comment. And if you had a second preference, you could leave me that as well in case one of the ones you wanted is out of stock. So there's the quilting owl, the sweet owl, BFF owl, princess owl, and the last one is nerdy girl owl. So here is what I grabbed for the Picket Fence Studios. I grabbed some more of the Magical Unicorn stamp set, which is really cute. Let's get sheet faced together. Really fun sentiment with this stamp. I love cats, or you can stamp out we love cats. Unicorn friend, really pretty unicorn. And some really pretty sentiments. You have a friend in me. Thank you for being my friend. And then this larger friend sentiment. A couple of planner stamps. So we've got Planner's Got a Plan and Planner Girl Music. I thought these were really cute for your planner. That's super cute, these girls. And they're tiny enough to stamp in your planner. And then you get these little sentiments as well. So you could use those on a card if you wanted. This one's called Kylie Boo. Really, really cute. She's blowing bubbles. You get sentiments forever and ever and ever and ever. Happy birthday. Have a bubbly day. When life brings you troubles, blow lots of bubbles. Really cute sentiment. Kylie's unicorn. Such a cute image. This little girl holding this unicorn that's sleeping. And then this really pretty unicorn here. Unicorn, mermaid, princess. It doesn't matter, you are special. Happy birthday, princess. My heart belongs to only you. And kiss, kiss. Really cute set. I did bring in the new Wicked together, so I added a few more to the inventory on this one. Really cute silhouette images. These are gonna look awesome if you like create a moon in the background and then have these in front of the moon. That would look so cool. And then I love the little whiskers on the cats. So pretty. And then you get lots of sentiments in here. And then this one as well. And this one is called If the Broom Fits. This one would be awesome in front of the moon. Little witch with the cat on the broomstick. These little pumpkins dangling down are really cool. Really fun set. This one is called Jungle Babies. Super cute little, there's a hippo and these elephants. Great for a baby card. Super, super pretty. Adorable elephants. I thought this one was really cute. This is called Pretty Kitties. Look how cute these cats are. There's a little bowl full of food there. You get all these sentiments. You are my favorite human. I hope you are feline better soon. There are days that you just need to feel pretty. I only purr for you. Rest and relaxation are in your future. And then I had to grab the puppy one. So let's see what this one is called. Friendly Mutts. And I just fell in love with these cute little puppies. Look how tiny they are. So cute. And then the larger dogs. There's a little one on top of the pillow there. Super, super cute. And then the sentiments, may your days be filled with sloppy canine kisses. I rough you, woof you. Sorry to hear about the loss of your loyal friend, and please accept our sympathy for your pet loss. So it's a great versatile stamp. So those are the new items that I picked up. I still have many more items to choose from in the Picket Fence Studio section. So if you do spend $25 in Picket Fence Studio products, I will add one of these cute little owl stamps to your package. So for Gerda Steiner Designs, this is from the new release. This is the upside down flamingo. Super hilarious. Turn that frown upside down. Definitely would make you smile to get a card with this little guy on there. And then these really beautiful foxes. And then there's a cute little owl. And I love how she came out with the owl stamp. So they kind of like coordinate because this little owl matches these owls. I'll rather be with you. This is a new one. A boo for you. Isn't it super cute, these little ghosts? I also have the coordinating dies for the owl and the fox. Thanks for shopping, guys.